How to add hyperlink in PDF for free. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's tutorial I will guide you how you can add hyperlink in your PDF document. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, we will use a free website that is known as Sejda. So in that case, you have to open up a browser in your device, navigate to search bar, then type in Sejda, that is Sejda, search for it. Scroll down a bit and here you have sejda.com. So click on this link here. And that's gonna take you to this kind of interface. Here it says you can edit your PDF document for free. So click on edit a PDF document. Now click on upload PDF file. From your device, select the PDF file where you want to add your hyperlink. Select your PDF, click on open. Now here you have your PDF. If you click on this empty space here, you could add a text. So add a text. Okay, once you have added your text, now to add a hyperlink, navigate to this bar at the top. There is an options for a link, click on it. Now here it says you have to mark the area. So if you navigate to your document, here you can mark the area where you want to add your hyperlink on. For example, I will just add the link here in this text. Now you have this pop-up box where it says link properties, where you have to enter the URL. So you can clear this out and add the hyperlink that you want to add. So for now, I will just add www.facebook.com. So here you have to add your URL, but for the demo I have just added the Facebook URL. Once you are done, click on apply changes at the bottom of this interface, and here click on keep, and here it says your download is processed, and now you have your document. So once you have done that, if you click on download, your PDF file with the hyperlink will be downloaded. Now if you open up your PDF and navigate to this text here, and if you click on this text, that's gonna redirect to the link that you have added previously. And that's it. That's how you can add hyperlink in your PDF document. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.